Be for real about your food. What tastes good?
Brussels sprouts.
The Brussels sprouts tastes good. What's that sauce on it?
Whoa.
Not whoa.
What? Okay. Yeah. All right then. Talk your shit then.
Okay.
They doing their thing.
They doing their thing.
Yeah.
Let me that doesn't matter.